Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to use threads from your Instagram. So let's get on it. The process is quite simple. So first what you'll need to do is to open your Instagram. So just go ahead and open and sign in into your Instagram account. Then after that, let us tap onto your profile or tap onto your profile on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then just tap onto the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner, just like here. So you should be able to see the thread section right here, but if you don't have it, it is normal. So what we can do if you don't have the thread section right here, so just go to your Play Store or your App Store if you're using an iOS device, and then go ahead and install the threads in your Play Store and the App Store that you have. So you can simply search on the search bar Instagram Threads, and then just tap onto the section and then install if you haven't already yet, and then if you're already installed it, go ahead and tap open. And so as you can see, after a few seconds of letting or loading it, you will see this on the bottom right of my screen, the account that I am currently signed in, that is currently signed in on my device rather. So if you want to sign in that account, you can go ahead and tap into that. But if you want to sign in another account, you can simply tap onto the switch accounts on the most bottom part of your screen. So since I want to log in using this account right here, I can just tap onto this right onto the section, and then just wait for a few seconds for my account to sign in into the Instagram threads. After a few seconds, you will see this. So you can go ahead and write your bio and then even add link to your account. But I will going to do is to import from Instagram right here, just like that. So I'll just import the bio that I have on my Instagram account, and then the and other information that I have on my Instagram account. So I can go ahead and tap on continue, and then you can choose here if you want to set your account on public as a public profile or a private profile. So I'm going to set it on a public, and then just go ahead and read this if you want, and then just tap onto the join threads. So just load it for a few seconds and you should be able to see the post here on Instagram threads. So here's the features, the search section. You can now follow people that you want to follow here, and then write posts. So in here you can post anything that you want. So the difference between the threads and the Instagram is basically you can post simple text right here, or a post that is only text, unlike Instagram. So you in Instagram you'll need to post a photo, but in here you can just post a text or any phrase that you want. So just type in the words that you want to post, and then just tap onto the post, and just like that you can post your thoughts in here on thread. So you can access your profile by clicking onto the profile icon at the bottom right part, and then even the activities, the replies, the mention. So that is how you can use threads from Instagram. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.